Now we are going to discuss about algal economic importance. Certain algal products are highly commercial value ഉള്ളതാണ് ചില algal products എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So we are going to discuss about some of the important commercial products of algae like diatomaceous earth, agar, alginates and carrageenan. First is diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ actually they are fossils of അല്ലെങ്കിൽ dead products of diatomsന്റെ കളക്ഷനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. They have natural silica which is a highly important value for certain commercial purposes. ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ ഡയറ്റമീഷ്യസ് എർത്ത് എന്നും ഡയറ്റമൈറ്റ് എന്നും ഹൈസൽഗർ ഈ വേർഡ്സുകളെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. ദേ ആർ സിലീഷ്യസ് ആണ്, സെഡിമെന്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ് ഇത് കാണപ്പെടുന്നത്. സെഡിമെന്ററി റോക്സ് ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സെഡിമെന്ററി പൗഡർ ലൈക്കാണ് നമുക്കിതിനെ കിട്ടുന്നത്. So it is 3 micrometers അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 1 millimeter അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 10 to 200 micrometers വരെ സൈസ് ഉള്ളതായിരിക്കും ഡയറ്റംസിന്റെ സൈസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ലോ ഡെൻസിറ്റി ആസ് എ റിസൾട്ട് ഓഫ് ഹൈ പോറോസിറ്റി. ഇതിന്റെ 80 to 90% ഇതിന് സിലിക്ക ആയിരിക്കും, 2 to 4% അലുമിനിയം ആയിരിക്കും, അതായത് ക്ലെപ്പ് മിനറൽസ് ആയിരിക്കും, ആൻഡ് 0.5 to 2% അയൺ ഓക്സൈഡ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഡയറ്റംസിൽ നിന്നാണ് ഡയറ്റമീഷ്യസ് എർത്ത് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. So it is helpful in filtration uses, metal polishes, toothpaste, then mechanical insecticides, absorbent at use for liquids, matting agents for coatings, plastics, rubber reinforcing material at use, plastic films use, then chemical catalyst at use, cat litter at use, blood clotting activator at use in studies, then stabilizing compound of dynamite, thermal insulator, അങ്ങനെ very useful nanotechnology വരെ diatoms use ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. This is a scanning electron microscopy showing the porous structure of self-diatomaceous earth. What is diatomaceous earth and how to use it? British Columbia, Canada ആണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡയറ്റമീഷ്യസ് എർത്ത് കണക്കാക്കിയിരുന്നത്. 12 to 13 million years old ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡയറ്റമീഷ്യസ് എർത്ത് ആണത്. മയോസീൻ ഏജിലുള്ളതാണ്. മെലോസിറ ഗ്രാനുലേറ്റ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഡയറ്റം ആണിത്. So here actually the accumulation of amorphous silica on the dead diatoms, actually they are microscopic single cellular algae which are dead ആയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. അവിടെ സിലിക്ക ഡെപ്പോസിഷൻ ഈ പറയുന്ന ഡയറ്റമിൽ കാണും. When it sediments together we can see it as a white powder. Marine sediments are actually. Fossil remains consist of a pair of frustules. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞ എപ്പിത്തീക്കയും ഹൈപ്പോത്തീക്കയുടെ പെയർ ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡയറ്റമീഷ്യസ് എർത്തിലെ ഓരോ ഡയറ്റംസിലും കാണപ്പെടുക. These are hard-shelled algae, as we discussed earlier. These are fossilized in nature, like the sedimentary rocks, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ powder which is easy to crumble to white to off-white powder മാറുവാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. That is called as diatomaceous earth. In bulk ആയിട്ട് seashores-ലും ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. It can be separated out, or it can be separated from the sedimentary rock very easily, and we get white powder. It said that National Pesticide Information Center said that diatomaceous earth makes up 26% of earth crust by weight. That much is present in this earth. It is said that these are the natural sources of silica, which is 85% silica. So it is used for the as a trace mineral, which is required by tendons, cartilage, blood vessels, and bones, heart, liver, lungs, etc. It also promotes skin health, which is used in toothpaste, facial exfoliator, healthy skin, and like teeth, hair, nails, etc. It actually acts as potent multiminerals. It also supports heart health, like silicon, calcium, sodium, magnesium, iron, and other trace minerals. It is also used for fighting ants on cultivation processes. It is also used as natural pesticides and insecticides. It is used as internal cleanser also. It detoxifies the bodies. It helps as purifying water. It is also used in the manufacturing of beer, wine, syrup, sugar, honey. It also fights for parasites. Diatomaceous earth is used as natural deodizer, non-toxic cleaner, beauty products, and it's also used in gardening also. Next is agar. Some species like Gelidium corneum, Cartigenium, Gracilleria species, Chondra species, Fusarella species, Philophora species, these are all red algae species which is used as agar-agar. These are the products which produces agar product. It is a non-nitrogenous extract which is present in as a pure mucilaginous form. Agar-agar എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Chief constituent എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് carbohydrate galactone ആണ്. These algae are collected and bleached and the mucilaginous matter is extracted with water under high pressure. അങ്ങനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് agar-agar കിട്ടുന്നത്. Agar-agar is a jelly-like substance. In 1650s, it was identified by Mino Trasemon in Japan. It is derived from polysaccharide agarose. The supporting structure is the cell walls of the algae, which is released on boiling. The commonly called as agarophytes അല്ലെങ്കിൽ rhodophyte എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മെമ്പറിൽ നിന്നാണ് നമുക്ക് ഈ agar-agar കിട്ടുന്നത്. It is a mixture of linear polysaccharide agarose, heterogeneous mixture of smaller molecules called as agaropectin. The melting temperature is 85 degrees Celsius and solidifying temperature is 32 to 40 degrees Celsius. The growth medium consists of mixture of agar medium and other nutrients, which is used for the culturing of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and other plants. The use of agar-agar it is used in microbiology and tissue culture processes for culturing process. And also it is used in research and also used in Mirashi and Scooge along with the nutrient medium. Major plant species which is used for this process are Gelidium and Gracilleria, which is also used in food industry, impression material in dentistry. It is used as a medium to precisely orient the tissue specimen and secure it by agar pre-embedding processes, for histopathologically processing, to make salt bridges and gel plugs for use in electrochemistry, as a natural ingredients to form modeling clay for young children to play with, as an allowed biofertilizer compound in organic farming, as a substrate for precipitating reactions in immunology, as used in desserts and food products, substrate to contain culture media for microbiological work, used as laxative, as vegetative substitute for gelatin, thickening of a soup, thickening of fruit preservatives, ice cream, clarifying agent in brewing, sizing paper and fabrics. If you set this agar in room temperature and it can keep in a particular shape for a long period of time until the temperature downs, which is sold under the name China grass. Used in cosmetic, silk industries, fish canning, etc. Similar to agar-agar, there is another product called as alginate, which is also produced from brown algae. If agar-agar is produced from red algae, alginic acid is produced from brown algae, because the cell wall of brown algae composed of alginic acid. This alginic acid is solidified and is used as an algal product. It is anionic polysaccharide. It's bind with water from a viscous gum, which is white to yellowish color. These are otherwise called as alginates because it is produced from seaweeds or brown algae in which the cell wall composition is alginic acid, majorly phaeophycin members. The product is sodium alginate. Sodium alginate is a food product which is also used in textile printing and pharmaceutical processes. It is also used in dental impression material. It is also used in food and skin safe product, which is extracted as seaweeds, and it's produced from giant kelps like Macrocystis, Ascophyllum laminaria species. Sodium alginate എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, it is actually sodium salt of alginic acid ആണ്. And sodium alginate is a gum which is also extracted from the brown algae. നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ തന്നെ it is also used as stabilizer or as an emulsifier item use ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ another thing is potassium alginate, calcium alginate, which is also extracted from brown algae. Cultivate ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് brown algae for producing alginic acid. It has various commercial uses, like it's used as slimming aids, paper and textiles, waterproofing and fireproofing fabrics, thickening agent for drinks, gelling agent for jellies, pharmaceutical products use ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, impression, dentistry, prosthetic purposes use ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, reactive dye printing, thickening agents ആയിട്ട് use ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Next product is carrageenan. Carrageenans അല്ലെങ്കിൽ carrageenans എന്ന് പറയുന്ന product, we call them as little rock എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നു. ഇവിടെ ഇതും edible seaweeds നിന്നും brown algae നിന്നും നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു product ആണ്. These are called as hydrocolloids. These are linear sulfated polysaccharides which is used extensively in food industry for gelling purposes, thickening agents and stabilizing properties. These also have dairy and meat products. Used in meat products, also in dairy products, because it's used as a strong binding to food proteins. There are three major varieties of carrageenan, such as kappa, lota, and lambda. Kappa carrageenan is with one sulfate group disaccharides, kappa carrageenan. Lota carrageenan has two eucinin denticulatum and the species which is produced. Lambda carrageenan, three sulfate group. In the presence of calcium, lota carrageenan becomes a soft gel. Kappa carrageenan stiff and brittle ഒരു ജെല്ലാണ്. In the presence of potassium salts, it becomes firm and elastic. Lambda carrageenan, not a gel form, it is a thick ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു product ആണ്. It is used in frozen desserts, to stabilize ice creams, hot dairy forms, to make constructed cheese. ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. These are the different species which is used for the cultivation to produce carrageenan. These are the different economic value of carrageenan, which is used in ice cream, desserts, cream, condensed milk, sauces, beer, toothpaste, fruit gusher, shampoo. In biotechnology, it is used in shoe polish, marbling, soya milk and plant milks, diet sodas, pet food, personal lubricants that use in the vegetarian hot dogs use in. Foods containing carrageenans are milk products, cottage cheese, ice creams, yogurt, frozen dinners, organic juice, frozen pizza, daily meats such as sliced turkey, canned soups, sour cream, processed sauces, dip mixes, infant formula use ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, nutritional shake carrageenan use ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Carrageenan is also used as natural thickening agent, which is found in some of the most popular organic foods such as nuts, rice, soya milk, cottage cheese, yogurt, sour cream, infant formula, and it is also becomes a carcinogen when exposed to stomach acid. Thank you.